channel.
And welcome back to my channel.
So yeah, in today's video, first of all, let me start as saying I'm sorry for being off too long. I had work. Like, I hate doing work. Like, I had work all week. That ain't fun. Alright, that ain't fun. Then I just been too busy. I'm sorry, guys. Like, I love doing YouTube. You already know I love doing it. So I'm so... Ooh. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I bet nobody cared, but oh well. Today's video, I'm gonna do a top 5 my favorite eyeshadows that you should get. Top 5 eyeshadows that you should get, guys. Top 5. So let's begin. It's gonna be in no particular order. I'm just doing like 5 eyeshadows that you should get. It's not like whatever. Anyway, so the first one you should get is the Morphe 35V palette. I did a tutorial about it on my YouTube channel. And yeah, this is what it looks like, a regular Morphe. But when you open it, look at that. That's so pretty. Like, I love it because it's so versatile. Like, you have your purple, your neutral on right here. Ba-boom. You have your purples and blues. Like, I just wanted a purple palette that you could get, like, you know, it's really a versatile palette, and all of the palettes that I have here are versatile. You could do a lot of different looks with them, and that's what I like, because a palette should do that, like, just versatile looks. Like, you shouldn't, like, just do a palette for one thing, you know? That's why I love this palette. And look at the shade right here. It's called, what's it called? It's called Ride or Die. Look at this palette, watch. Like, look at the shift. It's like a brown blue shift. I'm wearing on my eyelid today. It looks really pretty. On to the next palette I have is the Gingerbread Spice palette. Another favorite that you should get. Oh, and I'm gonna tell you the prices. This was $24. Yeah, $24. This one is $49, and you can. I know it's a little expensive, but you guys can still get it at Ulta. I know they still have it. I saw it. So you can still get it. I'm not showing you guys stuff that you can't get anymore. All of this stuff you can get. You can get this at Ulta. So I review this one too on my YouTube channel. I'm going to put all the reviews that I did in the cards. I don't know what area, but I'm going to put it up there. Anyway, so yeah. Look at the colors. Like, you could do a lot of different looks with these colors. Like a neutral look, that hot pink color, the browns, the different shimmers. This color is really good. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. It's called Hot Toddy. That one is really popping. And they're so easy to blend and stuff. Like, yeah, look at that. It's so awesome. I don't know. But yeah, this one is also a good palette. Hopefully I didn't break it. What I have is the Jaclyn Hill, the first palette they did with Morphe. She did with Morphe, so yeah. I love this one because I always keep my stuff in boxes, don't ask me, but yeah, I love this palette because it's so good. It's so versatile as well. You could do these 4 colors. This whole row could be a look. You know? Like, you have different stuff you could play with. Like, you could do a whole neutral eye look, a smoky eye, a brown neutral smoky eye. Like, and this was $38, I believe. Yeah, it's kind of expensive. The cheapest palette I have is the 35V. So yeah, you could do a lot of looks with this. I like this little mustard yellow butternut squash color. I like this red color. This purple color is really nice. these like green, dark green colors. Wait, is this a dark green? Wait, let me swatch it. This is the color I'm gonna swatch for you guys. I could have did this for my fucking eyeshadow look, the Halloween. It's patchy. Okay, on to the next. The next palette I have for you guys that's really good that you should get is the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star. This is really good. And I know a lot of people don't like him, but girl, you could put aside your pride and buy this. Like, you could separate the people from the makeup. I know a lot of people don't do that, but honey, it's just makeup. It's not like, oh my god. Girl, anyway, so yeah, you open it up. It's like a case. It's so cute. And look, like, it's so pretty. You could do a lot of different looks with this. You know, I love versatile palettes. This is why all of these are at my top you should get. But this one is expensive. It's like, ooh. I don't want to blind y'all. Alright, anyway. So yeah, this is like, how much was it? Like $55. This is expensive. Ooh. You see me in the mirror. Anyway, so yeah. Oh my god, I don't know how to show it to you. Alright, so you could do, like, I love this white color. It stands out. I love a white in my palette because I love setting my eye look with the white. So yeah, you could do like that purple. I did this look too on my YouTube channel. I did a tutorial using this too. What the fuck? The only one I didn't do so far is this. Anyway, so yeah, you could do like a neutral look with this whole first row. You could do a dark red look with these colors. You could do a purple, pink look. That's what I did on my tutorial. This color right here, I'm gonna swatch. It's called Donor right here. This gold color. Oh my god. And then all his shadows are so buttery and creamy. Like, you don't, and pigmented. You don't need a lot with this. But honey, look. Excuse me. Nobody told you to do that. Like, you popping. Look at that. Like, yes. Oh my god. This palette it's Johnny Bay approved. So my last palette, I don't know. Who is she? Cause bitch, best things coming too. Yeah, I had to pick two. I couldn't pick, like, I couldn't choose between one because these two are literally the best. You know, the best of the best of the Anastasia colors, or the Anastasia palettes. So these two are tied for number 5, well, top 5, whatever. No particular order. But yeah, the first one I'm gonna start out with is the Modern Renaissance palette. This palette is bomb if you wanna do like a date night look or something. Like, oh my god, I just envision, or like a sunset eye or something. Like, why the fuck? See, like, oh my god, look at these colors. Look at these colors. Like, they're so pretty. You could do a eye look, a popping eye look, or anything. Like a sunset eye, you could do these two raspberry colors, this gold color, a neutral eye if you wanted to. Like, a lot of versatility. And like, I need to do a date night eye look for you guys. So if you guys want to see a tutorial doing like a date night eye look with this palette, comment down below or smash the like button if you want me to do it. Even though I've never been on a date before, nobody wants me, I'm still gonna show you guys just in case y'all go on a date with your boyfriend or something. You know, the possibilities are endless in this bitch with this palette. So, by the way, these two are $42 at Sephora or Ulta. You can get these at Sephora or Ulta for $42. I don't know which one is better between these two because these two are both really good. Like, I don't know. I can't choose. That's why they're both in the top 5. I'm sorry. But anyway, I'm gonna do the Soft Glam palette next. I love this palette for an everyday eye look or like a neutral. If you guys love neutrals, you'll love this palette. Like, look at this. It has everything you need. I didn't know I could do that. I just bend it all the way. Hopefully I didn't break it. But anyway, look. Like, you could do a lot of stuff. Like, these, like, I don't know, like, I'm just so excited. You could do a lot. Like, you could do a black smoky eye with this black color, this color. These 3 shimmers are everything. I'm gonna swatch one for you guys. Which one should I swatch? I'm gonna swatch this one. It's called Bronze. And there's so, like, I was really fucking interrupted. Anyway, so I was swatching Bronze. See ya. Ooh. It's basically almost the same color. This one has more yellow in it. Donor has more brown. But they're both popping. But anyway, yeah. So this palette is really good. I love all the colors in it. It's so versatile too. Like, all the shit is versatile. I keep on sounding like a broken record, but they're really good. So comment down below which palette you like the most. Like, I'm just curious. Out of my favorites, which one do you like the most, honey? Anastasia shadows are really, like, blendable and pigmented, so you don't need a lot. They're amazing. I love Anastasia's eyeshadows. These are, like, the only one, like, her new releases, No Shade, are really not really appealing to me, so I'm happy that I got these 2, because these 2 are my favorites out of all the Anastasia shadows. Like, Norvina palette, there should have been more purple. Like, what the fuck? How is your color like this purple, but there's no purples? Like, I'm so confused. And, like, the Sultry palette, I love the packaging, but girl, it looks boring and cool tone. Like, when I think of Sultry, I think of like this, like, you know, like, fuck out of here. I don't think of cool tone, you know, like, I don't know. But anyway, if you guys like this video, you already know what I do, honey. Give it a big old thumbs up. Okay, guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching this video, and this is all my favorites. See you guys. Ew. I love you guys. I love you, my moon babies.